Hello everyone. Our objective for today is students will be able to factorize expressions based on a cube plus b cube formula. The formula is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b multiplied by bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So you need to memorize this formula. Before we start solving problems, we want to revise cubes of natural numbers. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000, 11 cube is 1331, 12 cube is 1728. So knowing these cubes will really be helpful solving these problems. So the first problem is for us to factorize x cube plus 64y cube. We need to first write it in the form of a cube plus b cube, means cube of some number plus cube of some other number. So x cube I can write as cube of x, and 64y cube I know 64 is a cube of 4 and y cube is a cube of y. So I can write 4y the whole cube. When I do 4y the whole cube, 4 cube is 64, y cube is y cube. So I'll get this. So this is my most important step. After that, I'm just going to apply the formula. This is a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b means x plus 4y. So this is essentially my a and this is my b. So it's a plus b multiplied by a square, that is x square, minus ab. So x multiplied by 4y plus b square. So 4y whole square. I need one more step to simplify the second bracket. So I'll get x square minus 4xy plus, when I square this, it will become 16y square. So this is my final answer. I hope this is clear, and we can do one more question. 125 p cube plus q cube. 125 p cube, I know 125 is a cube of 5, so I can write this as 5p whole cube plus q cube. So this is my first step, which is the most important. So I identify what my a is. My a is 5p, my b is q. So now I can use the formula a plus b, that means 5p plus q, a square, that is 5p square, minus ab, 5p multiplied by q, plus b square, that is q square. One more step needed to simplify. So I get 25p square minus 5pq plus q square. If this is clear, let's move and do more questions from this practice set. Let's do third question. 125 k cube plus 27 m cube. I know 125 as a cube of 5, so this becomes 5k whole cube, plus I know 27 is a cube of 3, so 3m whole cube. This is my most important step. Now I can just use the formula a plus b, a square minus AB plus B square. So I get 5K plus 3M bracket 25K square minus 15KM plus 9M square. Let's go to the next problem. 2L cube plus 432M cube. Now, this is an important problem. If I see this, I see that 2 is not a cube of any number. 432 is also not a cube of any number. So the trick that I'm going to do here is I'm going to take 2 common from both these terms. In the first term, I'm left with L cube plus, if I divide 432 divided by 2, I get 216 M cube. If I open the bracket, I'll get this back. 2L cube plus 2 multiplied by 216, that is 432 M cube. So now this is 1L cube. So I know 1 is a cube of 1 and 216 I know is a cube of 6. So now I can write this as 2 square bracket L cube plus 6M cube. So now I've identified my A and B. My A is L, B is 6M. So I can apply the formula, but I need to keep this 2 outside. So L plus 6M, A square minus AB plus B square. This 2 outside, L plus 6M, L square minus 6LM plus 36M square. This is my final answer. I hope this is clear. We can go to the next question in this practice set. The fifth question, 24 A cube plus 81 B cube. Now I again see that 24 is not a cube of any number. 81 is also not a cube of any number, but I see that both of these are multiples of 3. Let me take 3 outside, common. I get 8A cube plus 27B cube. If I open the bracket, I'll get back this, right? Now I know that 8 is a cube of 2, so I can write this as 2A cube plus 27 is a cube of 3, so I can write this as 3B cube. I've identified what my A and B is, so now I can apply the formula 2A plus 3B, 2A square plus 2A, minus 2A multiplied by 3B plus 3B squared, which is 2A plus 3B multiplied by 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. The 3 outside remains outside till the end. I hope this is clear. We can go to the next 3 problems. The 6th problem is y cube plus 1 upon 8y cube. I can write this as y cube plus 1 upon 2y, the whole cube. Now I've identified my a and b, so I'm just going to use my formula a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Y plus 1 upon 2y, y square minus this y cuts with this y. So I get minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4y square. I hope this is clear. We are now going to the 7th problem. A cube plus 8 upon a cube. I know I can write this as a cube plus 2 upon a whole cube. I've identified my a and b, so I can write this as a plus 2 upon a. This as a square minus a multiplied by 2 upon a. So I get a plus 2 upon a square minus this a and this a cuts with each other. So I get minus 2 plus 4 upon a square, squaring the last term. This is clear. Let's move to the last problem of this practice set. Problem number 8. 1 plus q cube upon 125. I can write this as 1 cube plus q upon 125. Sorry, q upon 5, the whole cube. I know that 125 is a cube of 5. Now I've identified my a and b. 1 is my a and q upon 5 is my b. So I can directly apply the formula. I'm going to keep my formula in front of me always. So 1 square minus 1 multiplied by q upon 5 plus q upon 5 whole square. That is 1 plus q upon 5, 1 minus q upon 5 plus q square upon 25. I hope this is clear. With this, we have finished practice set 6.2. I hope this objective is clear. Thank you.